Well, embrace humanity's boldest frontier. The lunar colony offers more than a home, it's a new destiny. Become a moon citizen, investing in unparalleled freedom for your thoughts, innovations, your very being. Imagine owning your own cosmos, real estate on the moon, appreciating exponentially. This is a legacy. Living on Luna means unparalleled autonomy, escape terrestrial constraints, develop unburdened by old world dogma. Your ideas, your opinions truly matter here. Innovation flourishes because minds are truly free. This is the ultimate investment. Secure your future, your family's future, in a vibrant, growing extraterrestrial economy. Lunar citizenship is your key to limitless potential, genuine self-determination, and a life lived on your own terms. Your moon, your rules. Claim your freedom. Invest in tomorrow, today. Okay, well, the future isn't just arriving, it's being built, piece by lunar piece. Imagine securing your legacy, not just on Earth, but among the stars. Investing in the moon is more than a financial decision. It's a monumental leap into the next trillion-dollar economy, offering unparalleled growth potential and pioneering advantage. This isn't merely an investment. It's your definitive stake in humanity's most ambitious endeavor. Join the visionary few who see beyond the horizon, who understand that true wealth lies in shaping the future. Embrace the opportunity to be part of an interstellar revolution, where your capital fuels innovation and establishes a new frontier for generations. This is the ultimate investment for those who dare to dream big and build bigger. Secure your place in the lunar future today.